Hello everyone, before watching our video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notification of our new videos. Please share our video as much as you can to support us. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, welcome to Info channel. So today's video is all about how you can screen record without a watermark. So before watching our video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notification of our new videos. So let's go to Playstore first and see how we can download this application. Okay, the application name is Do Recorder. You can search it on Google. Here it is, Do Recorder, screen recorder. Okay, the first one. All you need is to install this application in your mobile. Okay, first you will install this application and then I will tell you how you can record your screen without watermark. I have already installed it, so let's go to the application. Okay, so let's check this application now. I record my all videos from this application. It's the best recorder. Okay, you can check the video resolution. You can keep it to 180, 720, 540p. Okay, here is the video quality. You can check these settings. Storage. Okay. Okay, now let me show you the watermark option. Here it is, enable or disable. You can record your videos without any watermark with this application, and there is lots more features on it. You can check the brush one, theme, everything, touches. But the best thing about this application is you can record your screen without any watermark, and you can download it from Playstore. The application name is Do Recorder. Do Recorder, screen recorder. So this is one of a very great application. You can check this. It have a lot of features on it. So download it for free, and if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and support us by sharing our video as much as you can. I'm going to show you once again how you can download this application, Do Screen Recorder. Here it is, Do Screen Recorder. You can install it for free from Play Store. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel.